Is your computer slow? Then this video is for you. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to cover 3 reasons that can cause slow performance on your computer. First, your processor. If your processor is weak, your computer will be slow. The more powerful your processor is, and the faster your computer will be. If you are planning on buying a new computer soon, if you're running Windows or Linux, I strongly recommend to have at least an Intel processor that will be Core i3, i5, i7 or i9, and if you prefer AMD, then I would recommend the Ryzen 3, 5, 7 or 9. If you are planning on buying a new Mac, I would recommend that you buy a Mac with an M1 processor. Whether it is just a plain M1 or an M1 Pro or an M1 Max, those processors are really super fast. Second thing that can make your computer slow, it's your hard drive. If you have a hard disk drive, an HDD on your computer, don't look any further. That's what makes your computer slow. But nothing to worry about. An HDD can be replaced by an SSD. Whether you have a 3.5 size hard disk drive in your computer or a 2.5, you can replace it by an SSD that's 2.5. You will simply need to add an adapter if the former hard disk drive was a 3.5. SSDs are so much faster than HDDs, you will see the difference. They can be like 10 times faster than your HDD. The third thing that can make your computer slow is your storage available on your hard drive. If you have less than 10% available, then your computer will start to get slow. So always make sure to have at least 10% available. Whether you bought a very expensive computer that's super powerful or not, if you have less, then your computer is going to start getting sluggish. It will be slower and slower. So make sure that you make some space by putting things away onto an external hard drive or on a cloud. That's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and I'll see you in another one.